Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So yesterday, as I posted, Microsoft had rolled out the May Patch Tuesday security update for Windows 11, 25, and 24H2, which is KB5089549. I'll leave the video for that linked if you'd like some more information. Now, just a quick video to give you a quick heads up that there are a couple of issues with this update according to reports doing the rounds online. And my reason for posting is because I've also seen a couple of comments on the channel that the update has been causing a couple of issues for users. And the main issue is that some users are having trouble installing 5089549, where the update appears to download normally, but the affected systems fail during installation and then automatically roll back the changes. And according to reports, this rollback message is generated. Something didn't go as planned. No need to worry. Undoing changes. Please keep your computer on. And then after the failed installation attempt, Windows then rolls back the update and then returns the device to its previous working state. And I have seen a couple of comments on the channel where a black screen has also been generated. And there are also reports doing the rounds for some reporting slower internet performance or connectivity issues after installing the update. Now, at this stage, Microsoft hasn't officially acknowledged these issues, installation issues or connectivity issues or black screen issues with the update. But my reason for posting is I think this is affecting more the minority than the majority. And I just want to keep us all on the same page. Obviously, if Microsoft lists this as an official known issue or I get more info, I'll let you guys know. I've had no problems with the update. I've seen a lot of comments on the channel where the update is installed well for a lot of users. So if you are experiencing any of these issues, let me know in the comments. I'd like to see how wide the problems are. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.